Oh my throat!
What happened?
It's like somebody put a sandpaper inside, it's so dry.
Why don't you put
So what we have right here is the basic framework for our quad rotor. The one thing we want to make sure we do is reduce the amount of weight the frame has. What we have to do is select each of these faces here, and then we are able to extrude them through the body of the arm, and that will automatically cut a hole in the frame and will help us save a lot of weight when it comes to printing the product, which will help us reduce the price.
Yeah, at this stage in development, we don't actually have the required components that we need to attach to this Arduino board. But what we're working on is we've managed to source some open source code from Arduino Quad, Hero Quad. It's an open source software, and basically we've managed to compile this library full of code using this configuration file, and basically it's got our model of Arduino that we used and the different functionalities, and yeah, all we have to do is just modify it to the specifications that our machine will have or what it will use.
Okay, so the main parts we have for the quad rotor that we're going to be setting up are 4 little engines that we're going to be attaching to the wings, and then those engines are going to be attached to our ESCs, which are usually 4 individual components, but we managed to find a 4-in-1 package where our ESCs are all controlled inside this box, and basically the ESCs, which are electronic speed controllers, are programmable, and they help control the speed at which your engines turn it. So we'll be running these down the wings from these bits of cable here and attaching them to the engines.
Alright, what we're doing is we've successfully connected a Bluetooth module to our Arduino Uno board, and now what we're trying to do is we're trying to connect the module to my phone using a small piece of software called ArduDroid.
Okay.
Yeah, you do it. Turn the thing off.
There's no cable.
So solder is not conductive as a material?
I think it is.
Hold on, Jake. Yeah, but then what happens if solder touches solder? 3, 4. This is our prototype version 2. 2.0. And we're just trying to hook up all the motors, all the motors and stuff. Get it on working, just a program now.
Bluetooth connectivity from my phone to this Bluetooth module. We're managing to get this light to go on. So just a demonstration, 1 is off, so we'll send a 1 from this app to that module and it turns the light off, then a 0 and it'll turn the light back on. And that's where we are at our project. Go.
Mark 1.
Jarvis! Calibrating engines.
I'll do it one more time through the increments. Go back to default.
Yeah, so look at that.
Look, just put it.
That thing cut me.
Put it flat like this. Put your fingers
Full
like
speed.
this.
What are you doing?
I am attaching the last engine to our quadcopter and getting stuck while I do it. It's our hodgepodge emergency fixer-upper,
Okay.
because we had problems with the scaling of our 3D model, so we had to make custom adjustments to get it on. So that's what you see here, our budget metal framing, putting things together. But it's working really well, so this is our first test flight with no safety precautions taken at all.
Gee, where are the glasses?
Oh shit! Go to the monitor.
Yeah.
And send it a command. Send it a command. Oh shit! Yes. No, just type in anything and send it. One more. Oh, we're using a 9-volt battery to supply power to our Arduino board, because the VIN pin and the power output from our original battery were causing our previous board to corrupt and break.
Oh, you're trying to get the Bluetooth running.
I can take off, but it can't stabilize itself. Well, can we see? Yeah, I'll try, but I'm going to make it land straight away.
Whoa!
Yeah, we're almost done with the editing. We just need to add a few footage and cut some stuff from other footage because the video is end up being quite long. But yeah, we'll manage to do it tonight.
Every time I wake up, I always am so thirsty. When I'm thirsty, I want a tasty. Just give me that tasty. Because I'm thirsty. When I'm thirsty, I want a tasty. Just give me that tasty. Because I'm thirsty. Everybody like to drink kryptonite. Everybody go tasty tonight. Pitch me sweet tea to the mango. Taste so good and make me
first and everything, and upload the file first, and then we.
Yep.
Oh shit! It's actually working. That's a beep for.
That's the programming beep.
Yep. That's